thing, and that was filling in these holes where I had some finials earlier. And the way I did it was just put a little bit of glue in there and then shove toothpicks, as many as I could cram in there. And what that does is it creates wood. And after it's all dry, then I will break these off, sand it down. If I need to put a little wood filler in it, I would. Now what this is really good for is if you have a hole like on a hinge, a screw hole or something, or a dresser that is stripped out, then you need to put more wood in there. So you fill the hole like this, and then you drill your new hole for your hinge or whatever screw you need to put in. So really great tip for larger size holes, because you really don't want to use wood filler for something this big.